How to buy betting points in 1xBet loyalty program. First of all, open the 1xBet app and log into your account using your credentials. Next, go to the menu and head to the Order tab. Here you will find the promo section, which is part of the loyalty program. This is where you can check your current points balance and see available options to purchase more points. After that, browse through the available promo codes in the store. Each promo code requires a specific number of bonus points, typically starting from 50 points. Choose the promo code that best suits your betting preferences, then click on the chosen promo code and confirm your selection. The required number of bonus points will be deducted from your balance and you will receive the corresponding promo code. This code can be used to place bets on your preferred sports or games. And that's it. Now you know how to buy betting points in 1xBet loyalty program. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.